क्या करूं? What to do? What to do? आप कहाँ से हैं? From where are you? From where are you? आपसे मिलकर प्रसन्नता हुई। Glad to meet you. Glad to meet you. क्या बेहूदगी है? What nonsense? What nonsense? बस रहने दो। That's enough. That's enough. क्या आप थोड़ा खिसकेंगे? Will you please move a bit? Will you please move a bit? आप व्यर्थ में परेशान हो रहे हैं। You are unnecessarily worrying. You are unnecessarily worrying. मेरा सिर चकरा रहा है। I am feeling giddy. I am feeling giddy. क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? जुबान को लगाम दो। Mind your language. Mind your language. ईश्वर पर भरोसा रखो। Have faith in God. Have faith in God. कृपया ध्यान दीजिए। May I have your attention please? May I have your attention please? कितना दुखद है। How tragic. How tragic. यह खुशी की बात है। It's rather a matter of pleasure. It's rather a matter of pleasure. आपका प्रस्ताव बिल्कुल सही है। Your proposal is in quite order. Your proposal is in quite order. ऐसा ही होगा। It will be so. It will be so. ईश्वर ने चाहा तो हमें सफलता मिलेगी। God willing we shall achieve success. God willing we shall achieve success. किसका दोष है? Who is to blame? Who is to blame? चाहे कैसा भी मौसम हो। Rain or shine. Rain or shine. क्या हाल बना रखा है? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? तुम झूठे बहाने बना रहे हो। You are making lame excuses. You are making lame excuses. तुम में और मुझ में जमीन आसमान का अंतर है। We are polar parts. We are polar parts. मैं इस प्रशंसा के योग्य नहीं हूँ। I do not deserve this praise. I do not deserve this praise. कभी मेरे दिन भी फिरेंगे। Fortune will smile on me someday. Fortune will smile on me someday. उसने मेरी नाक में दम कर दिया है। He has got on my nerve. He has got on my nerve. तुम इतनी आयु के दिखाई नहीं देते। You do not look your age. You do not look your age. हमें लेने के देने पड़ गए। The tables were turned on us. The tables were turned on us. जहाँ तक मुझे याद है। The best of my memory. The best of my memory. मैंने उसकी पोल खोल दी। I sewed him up. I sewed him up. मैं यह बकवास नहीं सुन सकता। I can't stand this nonsense. I can't stand this nonsense. तुम इतने बदल गए कि पहचाने नहीं जाते। You have changed beyond recognition. You have changed beyond recognition. वह तो हाँ में हाँ मिलाने वाला है। He is a yes man. He is a yes man. यह घर घर की चर्चा है। This is the talk of every house. This is the talk of every house. मुझे नींद आ रही है। I am feeling sleepy. I am feeling sleepy. उससे सब कुछ संभव है। He is up to anything. He is up to anything. इस बात से कोई इनकार नहीं कर सकता। There is no denying the fact. There is no denying the fact.